A question that we hear a lot is, why did the early church need to formalize the Bible?
The canon of Scripture, and canon is just a Greek word that means rule. And the idea was that these are the official rule or standard of books that we think of as Scripture. And in one way, we think that there could have been a vote or a choosing of those books, when in reality, it wasn't as much a choosing of the books as it was a recognizing of the books that were handed down to the apostle. So there's a New Testament scholar who likes to say that if you were to go back in your time machine and you were to find those second century Christians and you were to ask them, hey, why did you choose Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John? They would have looked at you and kind of went, what do you mean choose? We didn't choose Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John any more than we chose our parents. Why did you choose your parents? Well, that's a silly question, right? They would have said these were the books that were handed down to us by the apostles. And so the question of what books should be in what we consider the Bible was a question of examining these books and doing the due diligence of tracing them back to the apostles and the first community that was within the community of Christ.